Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a sushi sandwich. We'll explore a straightforward method to create this delightful and portable meal. Forget the intricate rolling mats. This technique simplifies the process, making sushi accessible to everyone. You'll learn how to layer your favorite ingredients between perfectly seasoned sushi rice and a crisp nori sheet, resulting in a delicious and easy-to-eat package. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a fun snack. Let's gather our essential ingredients. First, you'll need a single sheet of nori, typically about 8 by 8 inches. Next, prepare your sushi rice. About 1 cup cooked is perfect, seasoned with a blend of rice vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of salt for that authentic flavor. For fillings, think fresh, thinly sliced avocado, crisp cucumber sticks, or even cooked shrimp or salmon work wonderfully. The key is to have everything prepped and ready to go. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lay your nori sheet on a clean, dry surface with the shiny side facing down. Take about 1/2 cup of your seasoned sushi rice and spread it evenly over the bottom half of the nori, leaving a small border at the bottom edge. Next, artfully arrange your chosen fillings in a neat line across the center of the rice. Finally, carefully fold the top half of the nori down over the fillings, pressing gently but firmly to create a compact, rectangular shape. To finish, grab a very sharp knife and dampen it slightly with water. This prevents the rice from sticking. Carefully cut your sushi sandwich in half, or even into 4 smaller, bite-sized pieces, depending on your preference. This makes it much easier to handle and enjoy. Serve your freshly made sushi sandwich immediately with a side of soy sauce, a dollop of wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger. It's a delightful and satisfying meal, ready in minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.